In this discussion, we will cover the subject of starting and stopping Hadoop daemons. This is one of the areas where you will find broad differences between the various distros. We're going to look at Cloudera's implementation. They have chosen to write init scripts and to locate them in etc init.d. The naming strategy for each init script follows the same naming strategy we use for the naming the daemons themselves. For example, we have Hadoop-HDFS-nameNode and Hadoop-HDFS-secondary nameNode for the two daemons on the masters running HDFS. And for Yarn, we would then look for Hadoop-Yarn-Resource Manager. As you have already seen, we use the service command to execute the init scripts. This works extremely well, and the primary reason is that the service command executes a run user command within it. This ensures the scripts are executed as the correct users. For example, the command service Hadoop-HDFS-nameNode start will execute as the user HDFS. We will read through one of these scripts in the demo. By the way, they all include a usage statement that lists out the arguments that you pass into the script, such as start, stop, and status. You must also control the startup and shutdown of these init scripts during boot up. You will use the checkconfig command to do this. Remember, by default, the yum install will set these scripts to start up during boot up. You want to run checkconfig off on those daemons you do not want to start up during boot up. We've seen many examples of this during this training pipeline. The Hadoop init scripts located in etc init.d are complete and well tested. You can certainly use one as a template to write your own customized init scripts for the Hadoop ecosystem. You will find this a required task as you add additional components outside the normal Hadoop ecosystem. You want to maintain consistency on how you start up and shut down your entire cluster, so you will have to learn to write these scripts. Additionally, I advocate writing an admin script that I call hdinit.sh. This is the master script for starting and stopping all the services from the command line. We will look at both an init script and a local hdinit.sh script in the coming demo.